couldn't start. So first thing I'm going to do is pull the dipstick, make sure the oil is okay. I never like to try to start these things without making sure they have full of oil. I'm going to clear the code, and then I'm going to see what you do here. So the way you clear the code on here is you turn it off, hit enter again, and then back to automatic, and it says ready to run, hours protection. That's how you clear the code. Anytime you have a code, that's how you clear it. So I'm going to try to start this thing in manual, see what happens. Okay, so it did start. I'm going to check a few things. I don't know if you heard how that didn't ramp up immediately. Honestly, it sounds like maybe there's a valve too tight. So we're going to have to check that. I'm going to do a battery test because it didn't crank over real fast. But hopefully that's all the issue it is. It's possibly a battery, maybe a valve a little too tight. There has been a lot of starter issues here lately, but I did not feel like that was an issue. So I'm going to look into it.